We have tons of bacon. We just
Last time you said you couldn't find any bacon, then you found one.
we have a lot of them.
Nagagalit ang Mr. Cupido dahil po
Good morning, Philippines!
hi guys, good morning. Early in the morning vlog tayo guys. Kagigising lang namin ni Brenda.
Hey guys, good morning.
Gising lang namin, kumain kami kasi Tami po nagluto si Tami. Look. So kain kami kahit ayaw namin kumain ng itlog. Kain na lang kami ng itlog. And you know Brenda sleep in the floor. I told you, Han. She's
Floor?
yeah, because that's who is being in the floor. It's being in the floor. It feels good. It's like it's hard.
Yeah.
But you feel asleep really, Bina.
Oh,
Naglalaro ko kasi ng phone, oh.
kausap ko yung kapatid ko, kachat ko.
Iwan ko kung magustuhan mo maluto ni Tami itlog.
Sarap naman, may
Ang daming onion, oy. Ayaw ko naman, oy. Ginoo ko. Ang daming onion nilagay.
Tapos hindi luto yung inyong. Masarap naman.
Kaluka mo. Ito sa asawa ko, guys. Kahit nagluluto, kahit hindi mo sabihin na ano, kakain ka na lang.
Ang dami niyang nilutong pancake kamo.
Ganyan naman siya, and then ilagay sa freezer.
For next day. Ang aga na gusto niya asawa niya.
Nagluto, sabi ko na amoy ko na balik ako gising, oy. Kasi tulog, oy.
4:30. Sabi ko, wala nga nag-uusap. Maririnig ko yung boses mo pagka ano, di ba?
Tulog pa ako, pagod, oy. Tinext niya ako kay 6 o'clock, o 7, almost 7. Yung asawa ko.
He's mad at me this morning. So he climb up on the counter.
Ang daming onion, guys. Mura akong naloka. You put a lot of onion. I like this onion, white
Sorry.
onion.
It's actually stronger than the red one, I'm surprised. Usually the red
Is it
the red
stronger
used
than the
to be,
purple one?
yeah, the red ones used to be stronger ones, but now it seems like it's switched.
A lot of people use white onion, Han.
There's no
Or a
good.
yellow
I'll
one.
make it again without onion.
After you see, Han? So what are we gonna do with this?
Let's do it to the red.
Ang gusto ko pa naman na itlog yung ano. Yung talagang namatay siya ng brown ba? Talagang, yung ano, yung itlog na brown na siya, and then i-brown na naman. Yun yung gusto ko, lutuin ko muna yung onion. Ito, hindi luto, guys.
Hinalo ba sa ito? Pero masarap naman siya, guys.
Hindi, yun,
Masarap
hindi.
siya, kulang lang ng asin.
No, hindi. Oh, nandito asin, oh.
Hindi.
Ganyan, mayroon kami mga asin, B, kasi, look, ganyan, paminta. Kasi mahilag ako sa paminta. You're wearing your white thing.
Then when you roll. I never wear this roll.
I know.
I never wear it white either, because
Say good morning, love.
morning guys.
That's all his word, guys. Morning. Good.
Right now, all the time. Morning, noon, night.
Anyway, guys. So, maghuhol pa kami, guys, sa nakuha namin doon sa, tawag doon ba? Sa diving. May nag-dive kami kagabi, and then i-haul namin yan. Andyan.
Akala ko hindi na tayo pupunta sa ano.
Tommy is cleaning the thing.
No, no.
Huh?
I'm trying.
Okay.
It's not gonna work.
It's not gonna work?
No.
No?
I don't use Brillo on it because
Yeah, it will.
the Brillo definitely
Can you-
takes paint. I can try that other stuff, but it may take the paint. So.
Okay, try it. Just drop a little bit. Ikaw na lang. Si Brenda na lang. Let Brenda do that.
What?
Let Brenda do it because if you ruin it, she'll gonna cry later.
That's what I'm saying. It's
She's a cry baby, han. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, ano ng oras guys? It is almost 11 o'clock. And ito, nililinis ni Tami yung nakuha sa basurahan. Kasi inisprihan. Ito yung nakuha namin ngayon. Inisprihan, nilinis ni Tami. Look, malinis na. Wala na siyang spray. Ito pala yung gamit niya guys. Ito siya. Look, Otherly's Mineral Spirit cleans up interior jobs. Yun yung mga ganap. At saka ito, kuha natin sa basurahan. Hugasan lang natin. Magagamit natin yan. Sa mga sabaw-sabaw. Hugasan lang yan. And then ito din, inano niya ni Tami kasi may spray po ito sa bathroom ba. Magagamit sa bathroom. So, gusto niyang gamitin doon sa bathroom niya sa taas. Kasi hiwalay kami ng bathroom ni Tami. Kasi ayaw niya doon mag-shower, guys. Ayaw niya mag-shower doon sa master bath. Kasi hindi daw masyadong mainit yung tubig. Iwan kung bakit. Nakakaloka. Ayan, maganda siya, guys. Maganda yung color. And dalhin ito, ihatid ko na si Brenda. Ihatid ko na siya.
Tapos nandito na naman ako sa Sabado, guys.
Sabado, balik na naman siya dito. Pwede dalhin, anyway, so ito, dalhin ito guys, kay Brenda na ito, light. Ilagay niya sa basement. Maganda naman ito guys, parang mag-karaoke siya, no? And then may spotlight siya, no?
Hindi ko kayo, guys, pagkatapos na din yung...
Hala, ang bigat nito, be.
Di ba nga?
Yung ano niya, yung parang stand niya, ang bigat. Kung maalam mo, be, hindi na ako nagbabra kapag ganito na.
Oh,
Kasi,
naman.
alam mo bakit? Masakit, be, magbra.
Saka hindi naman nakita kasi ano.
Wala no. Grabe si Brenda, guys.
Hindi,
Bagsak.
hindi naman. I mean,
Nag-explain pa si Brenda.
kasi maluwag na.
Kasi wala talaga, flat talaga, guys. Para siyang munggo. Munggo na, lonely munggo. Ilagay ko na ito sa sasakyan. Sana magkasya. And yun. Yatin natin si Brenda. Kasi ano na maano na siya, guys. Ayaw na niya dito. I'm having lunch. Are you gonna eat something?
Okay.
Come on, hurry up. I'm hungry.
Okay.
Gutom na ako, guys. Oy, ginoo ko. Kakarating ko lang galing kay Hatid de Brenda. So, si Brenda ayaw niyang kumain dito. So, yun. Ako na lang kakain lang ng kanin. Sabaw, konti. Yun lang. And then, ito. Yun. Ito na lang yung natira sa Filipino ano natin. And I don't know kung anong kakainin ni Mister. Si Indoy Gurotoy. Kanunoy po yun. Nagtatabiyaho. Nagtitibiyaho. And wala akong ganap ngayong araw, guys. Ang gagawin ko lang is magluluto tayo ng Brussels sprout. And then nag-defrost ako ng bacon kanina. Yun. O kahapon. Kagabi. Kain tayo, guys. Filipino food. So, andito na si Tami. Hintayin ko lang. Gutom na ako, guys. Han? I have my food here, so what you gonna have? Do you want soup?
Eat your food.
Do you want chicken soup?
Eat your food.
Why? What do you want? Makalabas ka man dyan. Basta kay mo galaw ka lang. Galaw. Huy, galaw. Oh my God. Dito, out. Labas. Yan siya. Anyway, yun si Tami naghanap ng baterya. Oh, you got more batteries. Loosen, ah. You need a bag? Ito yung nakuha namin kagabi. And I'm going to bring it upstairs and turn it on every night. There is a light upstairs because we never really...
The battery, you'll have to change the batteries every day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't forget it. So, what's the point of this? So, hindi pala pwede mag-on ng battery every night. All night, every day. Kasi, kapag i-on mo pala siya, matatapos itong battery. You know what I'm gonna do? What is this, Han? Try me, Han.
That's got a little button battery.
Can I just press it all the time like this? Ako gusto ko nang matulog. Wala ako masyadong tulog kasi late na kami ni Brenda nakauwi. Nag-edit ako and then hindi ko matapos-tapos kasi sabi ko, matulog muna tayo sa baba. So, pabayaan lang natin siya dyan. Tulog tayo, guys. Kasi, guys, gusto ko matulog. My love. It's very foggy outside, Han. Yeah, I'm going to close my eyes, okay? I know you're tired too. Yeah, maaga siyang gumising, guys, kasi pinagluto niya kami ng pancake at egg. So, we woke up early. Maganda, mabait talaga itong asawa ko, guys. Kahit matigas ang ulo nito, guys, mabait. Pinagluto talaga kami. Alas 4 nagluto na siya, guys. Alas 4 ng umaga. Mabait naman yan. Hey guys, nakatulog po talaga ako guys. And then, ulan ng ulan, ganon. At ang ano ng asawa ko guys, ang ginawa po niya is, look, yung mga nakuha natin sa basura, merong spray yung iba, diba? So ngayon, ang ginawa niya, sinusok niya sa ano, sa tubig dito sa jacuzzi. Nilagyan niya ng, look, itong katulad ng ginawa niya. Nawala konti. Meron pa siya, pero look, nihanap ba? Parang nag-feed yung ano, spray. Sabi ko, ang grabe naman itong asawa ko talaga. So, lutuin ko lang itong Brussels sprout, guys. Itong Brussels sprout na binili natin, kailangan lang siyang lutuin kasi masisira siya. The other day ko pa to, mga 3 days na ito. Binili ko, and then hindi ko pa niluluto. O, diba? It's raining, guys. Grabe pala yung ulan habang natutulog ako. Maganda pala yung ano, mundo kasi umuulan. Ina-drive ko lang itong si Mr. guys kasi po gusto niyang mag-grocery na naman. Tignan nyo naman yan. Mag-grocery na naman yan. Kasi what we have is not enough. What we have is not enough. So yan. Ulan ng ulan ay. It's nice to do garbage now. You know why?
What?
It's raining and no one is really, they go through the garbage, and it's not, how do you call that? It's not luck because they are just like throw it out and not lock it. No? So, ita-drive ko lang itong si Mr. ko kasi po, gusto na namang mag-grocery. Mag-grocery na naman daw siya. Air conditioning. Winter, remember? Remember. Ang layo kong nag-park, guys. Ay, andito tayo sa parking lot, pero malayo pa ako nag-parking. Doon yung Hannaford. So, kasi pag ready na si Mr., puntahan na lang natin siya doon po. Okay, andito na si Mr. Oh, guys. Wala, ang daming binili. Ay, may karne na namang binili. Nakakalokas, Mr. guys. Anyway, guys. What's on top of it?
Bacon, lettuce.
Why you get bacon? We have tons of bacon. We just
Last time you said you couldn't find any bacon, then you found one.
we have a lot of them.
So they were on sale for $3.99, so I got 3 of them.
My shopping holy husband is.
But last time you said, oh, I can't find no bacon.
We have
And
tons
then-
of bacon. We have. I just say that, but we
Oh,
have.
well, you just say that. Well, I go by what you just say.
Ano ko? Nako, himos na yun na ay.
Ay.
It's called, baby. And there's a lot of people and that there's bold guys. I said, oh my God, I feel bad with your bowl. The head is cold as well. It's like, what's it like? They're walking. They do like this and
Hubs, what are you steering in there?
I want to see what's in here for me.
Guys, andito na kami guys. Look, ang daming binili na naman. He's buying bacon because he is crazy. No, what kind of bacon is this, hon?
Low salt.
Low salt, okay. And then he got cereal. What else? He got pork and the salad, of course. He got muffin, eh? Okay.
This doesn't really need to be refrigerated.
No, do prioritize the egg and your salad. Look at guys, Hubs, guys, is like trying to tell his dad that. Look. Careful that you don't. Careful. You can just twist it now like that. I thought there is no egg in there.
Yeah.
Madali ang boil lang ito guys kasi lalo na mga maliliit sila. So, madali ang boil.
Yeah. And I noticed that clearly Glorianne, that she was told by you, she was told by Andrea, she needs to contact before she goes over there. Well, the cameras were going crazy today. Yeah, she just walked right in. So clearly I don't mean shit to her.
Nagagalit ang Mr. Cupido dahil po itong realtor na kinuha nila, itong babaeng ito, nagpunta, sabi pa nila Tami, kasi kailangan niyang ibinta, di ba siya, para ready na. So, yan, sabi pa, ibinigyan siya ng, house key. So, ngayon, sabi pa, kapag magpunta ka doon, you have to let us know. Kasi yung mga realtor pupunta sa bahay, ganun, mag-check, mag-picture-picture, ganun. So, ngayon, sinabihan nila ni Andrea, kapatid ni Tami at ni Tami, na kapag magpunta ka doon, you have to let us know. Para, para presentable din yung picture-picture, gano'n. At saka may tao. Kasi, kahit walang gamit, kailangan kang ng permiso sa may-ari. So, ngayon, guys, yung camera doon, guys, grabe. Prong. May tao. So, ngayon, tinitignan ni Mister. Nandun siya. Nagalit tuloy si Tami kasi nga daw bakit nagpunta doon na wala man lang pahintulot. Yung parang walang kahit pangit yung bahay na yan sa loob, dapat magsasabi ka na pupunta ka doon, ganon. Walang pahintulot, guys, nagpunta lang doon. Naluka. Yung si Tami, tinawagan na yung kapatid, nag-alburuto na yung niya. Yun yung pinakaayaw ni Tami eh. Kaya nga may kamera doon. Kasi yun yung pinakaayaw ni Tami na yung mga tao papasok-pasok lang doon. Ganon, baka may papasok, ganon. Ngayon, yung realtor na pinagkakatiwalaan mo, papasok doon. May dalang tao. At hindi man lang pinagsabi na may darating sila. Ano ka? Kasi iba yan sila eh. Kapag sabi na ganon talaga. Yung realtor hindi man naniwala, nagpataka man lang og sulod at dito dalag tao. Luto tayo ng bacon, guys, para ito sa Brussels sprout natin. Ito, guys, bacon and Brussels sprout lang at saka garlic, yun lang. Masarap na ito ba? Sarap to, guys, grabe. Walang katulad, parang si Erning. Kausap ko yung kapatid ko. Pangit. Pero masarap ito, guys. Basta ganito, Brussels sprout at saka bacon. Maraming garlic. Asin lang at saka paminta, Nagmarinate din ako ng pork, Binili ni Mister. Kasi bumili siya ng pork. So, ngayon, magmarinate na naman tayo. Anyway, guys, iyan ko na itong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Thank you. Bukas na naman tayo, guys. Basta matabunan lang siya fighting. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching for today's vlog. Wala po tayong ganap masyado. And nandun si Tami sa labas. Anyway, good night. See you guys bukas. Bye! Thank you for watching.